Now we start to assemble the steering. First one, and this is the second one. Yeah, and the board. Remember, the board is out direction, out, not this one, out direction. Okay. You see? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come on. And then this is the first one. Down direction, down. And this one, island, brake island. And the last one is this one. Or maybe you will get this one. That's alright, they're the same. So use this one to try to assemble it. It's no problem with that. Okay. And the limit. Okay, limit. And then the plastic cover. Okay, it's this. Now, let's assemble the fold. First, keep this in here about 2 mm. So we fix these two parts, okay? And then fix the screws. Then begin. The screws for orange one is too long. We change into our one. Okay, let's start. Yeah, turn to fix it. Then, 好，摇一下看会不会摇。It won't shake. It won't shake. It not sound. It's perfect. Yeah, this is the fold construction assemble.